Mara was on a crowded ship. She was traveling far away from her home in Ireland. There was no food in her country. Her father had died. Her mother was too sick to travel. Before Mara left, her mother gave her one small thing. It was a single potato seed, wrapped in a small piece of cloth. "Carry this," her mother said. "Planted in new ground." For 3 long weeks on the ship, Mara held the seed every single night. She did not talk to anyone. She did not cry. She just looked at the dark water. The seed was her whole world. Then, the terrible storm came. The ship moved wildly in the cold wind. Water crashed onto the wooden floor. People screamed in the dark. Mara was thrown against the wall. Her hand opened, and the small cloth fell. She dropped to her knees. She felt the cold, wet floor in the dark. She felt thick ropes and wet shoes. But she could not find the cloth. The storm lasted for 3 hours. When the morning finally came, the ship was quiet. Mara looked at her empty hands. The seed was gone. Her mother's thread was gone. Mara had always run away from her sadness, but now the sadness finally caught her. She put her face in her empty hands and cried loudly. She cried for her lost farm. She cried for her sick mother. She cried because she was completely alone on the ocean. Suddenly, she felt a warm hand on her back. It was an old woman named Nora. Nora was from a village near Mara's home. Nora did not say anything at first. She just sat next to Mara. She was just there. When Mara finally stopped crying, Nora held out her hand. In Nora's hand was a small piece of cloth, tied at the corner. "I brought 2 seeds with me," the old woman said quietly. "I do not know why. Take this one." Mara looked at it. "I cannot take your seed," Mara whispered. "You can," Nora smiled. "It is a seed. It just wants to be planted in the ground." Mara took the seed carefully with both hands. She realized something beautiful. The seed was not her old home. The seed was the courage to build a new one. 1 week later, the ship arrived in New York. Mara stood on the top deck. She saw the giant, busy city in the morning light. She did not know the streets. She did not know the people. But she opened her hand and looked at the small seed. She was not crying anymore. She had new ground to find, and she was finally ready to begin. My friends, what are you carrying from your past? Is it a physical thing, or is it the courage to start again? Do not be afraid of the new city. Thank you for watching The Last Seed on Meadow Tales Hub. Plant your seed today. Goodbye.